Hi friends! Today I'm so excited to show this product. These products are brushes for makeup and came in this beautiful bag. Look, it's black, it's like a plastic or synthetic skin and have this zipper. It's like high quality and resistant. This is the inside of the bag. But the star of this product are these brushes. So let's go use it and let me tell you how they works. So are three brushes in this packet. This is the little one. Have these white details in this part. As you can see, this part is white. And this will be used for the eyes or this part. This is the medium brush. It's the same design as the other. It's so soft. This can be used for the eyeshadows. And the last one, that is the bigger, came with this plastic, and it's this one, the same. And you can use this for your makeup in all your face, or for the blush, the contour. So let's go use it. First, I'm gonna use the medium brush for my eyeshadow. As this one. It's like a bronzer, but I use it in the eyeshadow. So let's go see how it works. Oh, feels so good in the skin. Look at that. Easy, comfortable. And we're gonna use the little one, this one, for the for this part of the eye with this. This is like a highlight. So I'm using this part. And here for the eyebrows. You can use this little one for the contour of your nose too. I'm just gonna put some highlight in this part. And here. And here. And finally, the big one. First, I'm gonna use it for my powder, this one. And I'm gonna use it in this part of my face for the shine. This part. And finally, I'm gonna use this brush too for the blush. I use this one. And I'm gonna put some here. I'm ready. What do you think? I feel so comfortable using these brushes because are soft and have the perfect size for all the parts of my makeup. And the best part of these brushes are so easy to clean. You can clean it with soap and water and your brush will be perfect. So I finished to use it. I just put it on my bag and ready. See you.